is the morning of the 2nd of July 2007, about 9:30, and it's 12:20. This morning, JP Jean-Pierre Lenormand was born. He's been sleeping at home and was woken by what I very soon guessed was the most annoying sound in the universe. The most impossible to ignore sound in the universe is a chainsaw, about 20 yards from the house. But I was wrong, because very soon after hearing the chainsaw, well, listen. Yeah, so a wood chipping machine is the most annoying sound in the universe. And I did go and speak to the guy and explain why I was filming him, and he assured me that he had a baby crying. Yeah. So anyway, this comes from the very tree that generated the second and third most annoying sounds in the universe, and will soon become a JP something. This is where it comes from. This is for you, JP.